Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my beef pho. So if you want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, we're going to begin by prepping our aromatics. So here I have my comal over medium-low heat. Just allow it to get nice and hot. And once it's nice and hot, we're going to add our spices along with the cinnamon sticks and just break them down. So we're just going to lightly toast them. Once you begin to smell all of the spices, we're going to remove them from the heat. Just make sure not to burn them. Okay, and once done, we're going to begin to transfer our spice into a tea bag. So just begin with the big pieces. Okay, now for my seeds, I'm going to transfer them to a plate. So like that, it's easier to transfer them to the bag. And here I'm just going to use a funnel. So like that, it's easier to transfer my spices into the tea bag. Okay, once we have that, make sure that you close it. Okay, now set it to the side. Okay, so now we're just going to roast our ginger, garlic head, and onion. Okay, and once it's all done, we're going to remove it from the griddle. And lastly, we're going to lightly toast 3 chile puyas and 3 chile pods. So just do this for about 5 seconds per side. Okay, and once done, remove them from the heat. And now we can get ready to prepare our meat. Okay, now to our pot, we're going to add our meat. I'm using chuck tender roast along with ribs and short ribs. So the type of meat is going to be up to you. Now we're just going to allow it to come to a boil and let it boil for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, we're going to carefully drain the water and give our meat a quick rinse. Now here I have 4 quarts of water boiling. I'm going to return the meat. Now here we're going to add our salt and sugar, our tea bag, the onion, garlic, and ginger. And we're just going to allow it to come to a second boil. Okay, and once it comes to a second boil, we're going to add our fish sauce along with our chile pods. Now we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it, and allow it to cook for 2.5 hours to 3. And just make sure that you're skimming the top of the broth every 30 minutes. Okay, so after 3 hours, our meat should be fully cooked. It should be nice and tender. Of course, make sure that you check it. And it is done. So here I'm just going to be removing all of the meat from the pot. Okay, now carefully we're going to strain all of the broth. Okay, once we have our broth, you can taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But once we have that, now we can get our rice noodles ready. Okay, so here I have my rice noodles. I'm just going to place them in a bowl. Cover them with boiling hot water. And I'm just going to cook them for 1 minute. Okay, just move them around. And after the minute, we can give them a rinse in cold water. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I already have my rice noodles in a bowl. Going to add my meat, and I shredded some of it. Just be careful because the broth is hot. So just pour it over. Okay, and I'm just going to top it with some sprouts, some cilantro, onion, green onion, and I like it spicy, so some red pepper. I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice. Going to be adding some chili oil, some sriracha, and hoisin sauce. Just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious, so flavorful. I promise you, you're going to enjoy it. It's perfect for this time of year. So I am so ready. And of course, you can always top it with your favorite toppings and use your favorite cut of meat. But I am ready. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Now I'm gonna eat it with the fork because I don't know how to eat it with the chopstick, but I'm ready. Seriously? So good. The broth is so rich, so flavorful. Everything, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious beef pho. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.